Start. There is a famous saying, comma, quote open, bad examples serve as good warning signs, quote close, stop. The nation was hoping that after witnessing and experiencing the effect of a shortage of personal protective equipment within bracket PPE kits, comma, N95 masks and Hajamat suits in the harsh, comma, dreaded summer of March-April 2020, comma, the central government would take corrective steps and not repeat the mistake of ending up with a lack of supply of oxygen, comma, medicines and of prioritizing exports over domestic demands in terms of vaccine availability. Stop. However, comma, looking now at the heart-rending and urgent appeals for oxygen supplies and vaccines, comma, and the snail's pace of the vaccination drive and reports of vaccine shortages, comma, it is clearly deja vu in terms of it being sheer mishandling by the event management of best Bharatiya Janata Party within bracket BJP government, stop, para. However, comma, amid the bad news of rising COVID-19 deaths and dipping resources, comma, India's young population can heave a sigh of relief that the ruling regime has finally considered the suggestion of the opposition to look at universal vaccine and woken up to the reality that 80% of population below 45 years of age, comma, who constitute a large segment of the COVID-19 infected citizenry, comma, needs protection, stop. But a few questions remains unanswered, colon, why did it take so long to give the green signal for a vaccine for all policy, question mark. Why do the scales remain tilted in favor of exports over domestic supply, question mark. Why did the wise men and women at the helm of affairs not ensure the acquisition and the manufacture of the arsenal equipment and keep them ready to combat the current catastrophe, question mark. Had the government paid heed to saner voices and prepared itself during the last 1 year for domestic capacity augmentation, comma, maybe India would have been in a better position to face the second wave. Stop. Now, comma, the bottlenecks in the domestic supply of medicines, comma, oxygen and vaccines have become a major constraint in the fight against COVID-19. Stop. In the absence of a steady stream of these key essentials, comma, the liberalized vaccine drive runs the risk of becoming another victim of sketchy implementation by the BJP government. Stop. Para. To avoid this, comma, decision makers must hunker down to give wings to the vaccination drive and ensure maximum factory output to achieve maximum coverage. Stop. According to information available in the public domain, comma, India lags behind the world average of doses administered per 1 lakh population. Stop. Out of population of 136 crore Indians, comma, approximately only 1 crore have got both doses. Stop. With less than 8% of the population vaccinated so far, comma, India is way behind in terms of vaccination speed and coverage. Stop. Israel has vaccinated 61.8% of its population while it is 39.2% in America. Stop. Countries such as the Seychelles and Bhutan have vaccinated 67.4% and 62% of their population, respectively. Stop. The vaccination percentage in India is behind even Morocco, where 12.6% of the population have been vaccinated. Students, now let us see outlines of this matter. COVID. See this. COVID. Owing COVID. Next, Hazamat. Hazmat. See this. Owing or cut. Hazmat. Next, prioritizing. It means बेशकीमती. इसका मतलब जो होता है बेशकीमती होता है और कॉस्टली. प्रायोरिटाइजिंग मीन्स कॉस्टली. सी दिस आउटलाइन. प्रायोरिटाइजिंग. प्रायोरिटाइजिंग मीनिंग कॉस्टली. नेक्स्ट, हार्ट रेंडिंग. Heart rending. See this. Heart rending. It means painful, touching or painful. Heart rending means touching or painful. Snail's pace. Snail pace. It is phrase है. It is a phrase. Snail pace means slow running और कछुआ चाल और धीमी चाल, इसको कह सकते हैं धीमी चाल. स्नेल पेस मीन्स धीमी चाल और कछुआ चाल. सी द आउटलाइंस ऑफ दिस. स्नेल्स पेस. धीमी चाल. नेक्स्ट, citizenry. See this outline. Citizenry. Next, tilted means झुका हुआ और turn around. Tilted means. See the outlines of this. Tilted. Next, at the helm of affairs. See this. At the helm of affairs. At the helm affairs. Meaning, it is a phrase at the helm of affairs. It means मामलों में सीट्स पर, मतलब जो भी मामले हमारे होते हैं उसमें सबसे ऊपर. at the helm of affairs. Next, arsenal equipment. Next, arsenal equipment. See the outlines of this. Arsenal equipment, or we can sort out arsenal equipment. Next, combat. See this. Combat. Combat means war, phase or battle. तो it means war और सामना करना यानी कि फेस, बैटल और यानी कि लड़ाई. कॉम्बैट मीन्स युद्ध करना, सामना करना. बैटल यानी कि लड़ाई. क्वेरल भी हो सकता है इसका मीनिंग. नेक्स्ट, catastrophe. See the outlines of this. Catastrophe. It means catastrophe means devastation, destruction और prediction. इसका हिंदी में मीनिंग होगा हमारा तबाही, विनाश, दुर्घटना. मीनिंग डिस्ट्रक्शन यानी कि तबाही, विनाश. कैटास्ट्रॉफी मीन्स तबाही, विनाश, दुर्घटना. तो इंग्लिश में इसका मीनिंग होगा हमारा, सिनोनिम्स जो होगा हमारा डिवेस्टेशन और डिस्ट्रक्शन। नेक्स्ट है हमारा ऑगमेंटेशन। ऑगमेंटेशन, सी द आउटलाइंस ऑफ दिस ऑगमेंटेशन। ऑगमेंटेशन, इट मीन्स ऑगमेंटेशन मीन्स वृद्धि, ग्रोथ, यानी कि फर्दरेंस, इनहेंस, प्रोग्रेस। तो इट मीन्स सिनोनिम्स, इट्स सिनोनिम्स इज इनहेंस, यानी कि बढ़ना, इनहेंस, प्रोग्रेस और फर्दरेंस। नेक्स्ट स्केची implementation, sketchy implementation, see this sketchy implementation. Next acquisition, acquisition, see this acquisition, it means acquisition means आप प्राप्ति, अभिग्रहण, अभिग्रहण, प्राप्ति और प्रॉफिट यानी कि लाभ हमारा। इसका मतलब क्या होगा हमारा, वर्शिप होगा, मीनिंग वर्शिप हो सकता है सिनोनिम्स, वर्शिप, बेनिफिट और अर्निंग यानी कि प्राप्त किया हुआ। नेक्स्ट वैक्सीनेशन, सी द आउटलाइंस, वैक्सीनेशन, वैक्सीनेशन